Cistern's hose pipe leak. In this session, you will learn about the step-by-step repair process of a leaky cistern hose pipe. Notice that the connection between the cistern and the hose pipe is leaking. This is the problem. The hose pipe is not tight enough, and so the joint is leaking. That seems to be the cause of the problem. Having identified the cause of the problem, now gather the tools required to fix it. All you require is an adjustable spanner to repair this. Let's start the repair. At the outset, shut off the water supply by closing the angle valve. With an adjustable spanner, tighten the connection between the hose pipe and the cistern's inlet. This should fix the leak. If the leak persists, then you would be required to change the rubber washer inside the hose pipe. Let's check whether the leak has been fixed. Turn on the water supply by opening the angle valve. The connection between the cistern and the hose pipe does not leak anymore. We have successfully fixed the leak.